Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our Daily View.
Today is Tuesday, February 4th. And what are we going to do today, Craig?
Volunteer at the Ronald McDonald House.
And we are going to choose, Craig's going to choose where we eat.
Chick-fil-A.
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 Oh, nice. You say hi. Where's he at?
He's in Orlando, Florida, buddy.
Oh, boy.
You gotta look at Craig, don't you? Colby's mesmerized by Uncle Craig. Right? Once again, we are back at the Ronald McDonald House, ready to do the volunteer work. This is something that Craig definitely looks forward to every single week. I just heard Craig say Holy Toledo, but I'm not sure what that means. It means there's no laundry.
Laundry.
Is there any in the machines? Oh, that needs changed, it looks like. Oh, so we have some, it's just already, we have some to wash and we have some to dry and fold, it looks like. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? And they might bring us more, who knows? All the machines are going now. What happened, Craig?
No laundry.
Yeah, they brought us a whole cart of new laundry, so...
Perfect.
Yeah, Craig's happy.
Yep.
Well, our job here is done, right, Craig?
Yep, that's right.
Time for lunch. So long, Ronald McDonald. Right, we are at Chick-fil-A on Merle Hay Road. I feel like this place is pretty much always busy. Wait for me, Craig, because it's kind of a crazy parking lot. We went ahead and just parked in the parking lot that's really for Burlington and those, because I think it's easier than going in this parking lot.
Now here he is, all the way from the...
Okay. All right. Let's see, Craig. I think we have to go over here. And around here. What do you think you want, Craig?
The Chick-fil-A Deluxe. No lettuce and no tomato, please.
Number one deluxe, no lettuce, no tomato.
Yeah, side of fries, please.
What's your drink?
Coke Zero.
Coke Zero. Any dipping sauces?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard. Anything else for you?
Is that all?
Donald.
Yeah. Sadly, they don't have the pimento cheese anymore. So I'm trying the chicken strips, and you heard Craig order. I'm also getting an order of the grilled chicken nuggets to try. I've never tried them. They don't sound really appetizing to me, but I want to try them and see if maybe I'll actually like them.
Which one's my
And
drink?
I got a sandwich to take home to Joe. I bet this is yours because it says no lettuce or tomato, right? I got some chicken strips. This was what I ordered. There's my chicken strips. They look nice and crispy. That's how I like them.
Is this my Coke Zero?
Yes. I got I got a small order of chicken nuggets to take home for the girls. They're at our house.
Those girls are gonna like these.
I'm not sure why we got 2 orders of waffle fries. Well, here are the grilled nuggets. They look much more appetizing than they do on the sign. Oops. Here, I'll just show you one right here. There we go. Actually, I think maybe I'm going to like these. Here we go. There. I think I'm actually going to like these. And then this must be the sandwich that I'm taking home for Joe. I got him a spicy chicken sandwich. I forgot to say no lettuce, so I might have to check and see if that's on there, but we could take it off when we get home. And I'm ready to try it. How is your chicken sandwich?
Delicious.
I'm going to give one of these nuggets a try. I really like those. This is great to know. I'm going to get these from now on. Will you try one of the grilled nuggets, Craig?
Special sauce.
Yeah, you can put it. You can dip it in the sauce.
Which?
There is some special sauce. Yep. You want to try the Chick-fil-A sauce? Craig's a dipper. I'm still puzzled over 2 orders of waffle fries, but maybe the girls like these if I take them home. And this all came to $38. What do you think?
Not bad.
Yeah, they're pretty good. All right. I'm going to try one of these chicken strips too. I like these a lot too. Both great choices. And to end the meal, ice cream. A little sweet treat. I got mine in a cup. How's it taste, buddy?
Tastes good, Mama.
Okay. I also wanted to try the fruit cup. It looks like there's apples, strawberries, and mandarin oranges, and a few blueberries in there. Looks pretty good. Looks nice and fresh.
Hey!
Craig, can you give us a review of Chick-fil-A?
Now, Chick-fil-A is the best place to be. The chicken sandwich is delicious. The waitress is nice. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, and the Craigie Driver is superb.
I agree. What a great lunch. When you're this close to Burlington, you just got to stop in and see if there's anything new. It is so cold out here. It's like maybe 20 degrees, I don't know, but it's windy. And we're freezing, right, Craig?
Right.
This dress is so cute. It's a size 4, so it should fit one of the girls. $16.99. I love it. I'm going to put it in my cart anyway. I wish I could find 2 of them.
And the pumpkin who couldn't
Here's a
smile.
cute Hello Kitty dress.
Featuring the voices.
They always have cute things here. You just have to hit it at the right time. It's cute with a little jacket. Let's see. Oh, look at this one. That's darling. How much is this one? It's like the same price. Also $16.99.
You see a pumpkin. It's an orange vegetable or fruit.
That's really cute too. I found it in a 5, so they both have one. Definitely have to get these. And look at this dress. This dress, see if I can get a good look at it for you. This little dress is only $8.99, and I think it's so cute. I wanted to show you these super cute bunny statues. I love this one. It's like a mama or a grandma holding the baby. I think these are so pretty. How much are these? Oops, these are only $5.99. I seriously think I want one. Question is pink or blue. I almost like this blue better. I think I'm getting the blue one. I'll put this in my cart.
And thus,
Some other things that I'm getting are these socks for the girls. They always need socks. And these are like $5.99. This is 10 pair for $5.99. And I think this is $4.99 for 6 pairs. These will be cute in an Easter basket. These look kind of weird because they put them on adult hangers, but I found these matching Minnie Mouse sweaters. They're Gap brand, and I think they're $6.99. I am getting this dress because I think it's adorable for $8.99. That one's for Libby. This one I'm getting for Josie. I think she will love it and look adorable, and it has that nice swingy skirt. These matching unicorn dresses. I know they'll be a hit with both of them. And I found another pair of sparkly slippers to keep at our house because the ones I got last week were almost too small for Josie. And these are like $4.99. They have some good deals here. You just have to stop frequently and look. I really love the bunny statue, but Maybe it would look great on my mantle. It's only $12.99. That's super cute. I think I'm gonna get it and try it. I can always bring it back. Oh, I remember we used to always get this brand for Stephanie's hair when we started using the, it was the Silk Infusion. We started using a straightener when she was in junior high, I think. $16.99 is probably a good price. They have these pretty little, it's got a sachet inside. It smells really nice, and this is $4.99. That would be really cute in a bathroom. They've definitely gotten some new things since I was here last. There's these Easter eggs, just decorative, I guess. What's this? Oh, these are sachets. Oh, they smell really nice too. Here's a little house. It's cute. It is $5.99 and it lights up. This would be cute on an Easter tray. That's super cute. Has a pink roof. Oh, they have more houses, and I think I like this yellow maybe more than the turquoisey blue. I like the yellow a lot. And it is it the same price? It's also $5.99. It kind of looks cute next to the pink one. And they have these wicker round like basket trays. I'm debating on for my whole table for an Easter display. I might try it. I need something like that. Craig, what do you see here that you like? He's gonna pick something.
The Easter eggs.
You like the eggs? Yeah, those are fun, aren't they? We should dye some Easter eggs this year. I'm excited that I come here because I found some really cute things. This might be fun if you were a teacher. It's a little jar of heart erasers. It would be fun. You could have those on your desk and give them to the kids for maybe rewards. And this is $5.99. That's adorable. And it is $12.99. It's not musical. Well, we would have probably heard Craig already playing the music if it was. This is another one that is broken. This one looks like a cupcake. Sweet love. It has, those little sparkles and the hearts floating around. That's really cute. And it is $9.99. One more thing I wanted to show you. It's a Haunted Mansion candle, and it has like the different grays. If you've been to Haunted Mansion, as you're waiting in the queue, they have like tombstones, headstones. This one says, "Dear departed brother Dave, he chased a bear into a cave. Our rest in peace, Mr. Sewell, the victim of a dirty duel. Peaceful rest." Oh, there's Madame Leota on the front. This is super cute. I tried smelling the candle and I don't really smell anything. And the candle is $6.99. This is what Craig's been looking at. Do you want this for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Okay. You can put it in the cart. I thought that was a subtle hint. Decided to stop in at Dollar Tree. Let's see, this is a different Dollar Tree than we usually go to. I think this is at 28th or 23rd Street that runs by this. I'm going to pick up some of these little cotton candies for the girls' Easter baskets. I mean, well, it could be Easter or Valentine's Day, but I meant to say Valentine's Day. They do have a lot of their Easter stuff out now. Let's see what's on the other side. Is it Easter or is it Valentine's Day over here? It's Valentine's Day. It's pretty much the same stuff we've seen before. Oh, I bet that's for Mother's Day. It says Mom. Still have the Peeps, the set of 4 containers. There's one inside of another that the girls like so much for $5. And the Peeps lights. It's a big Peeps drink thing. I can't remember if I've got these before here, but they have Doorables. We'll get a couple of those for the girls. Kitty in my pocket. These are jungle figures. These are little squishy. It makes a hamburger. I think we actually got one of those before. This is supposed to be a squishy poop. It is. I'm looking for a certain sticker books here today. We'll see if they have them. What'd you find, Craig? Oh, is that for the movies?
Yeah.
Okay. Big chewy nerds.
Yep.
Okay, I'm looking for, Craig, do you know the books that have faces and then you put the stickers on them? That's what the girls really like. Is this one of those? No. Oh, these are stickers. Make a face plant. Oh, yeah, definitely. I'll grab a couple of those. Josie's really been into doing these lately. What else do they have? They have the plants. Oh, look at these. They have animals. Of course, if I get one, I have to get 2. And then I think I see, let's see, in the back. You can always count on Dollar Tree, can't you? Let's see. These are Sea Friends. We'll get 2 of those. And then I think I have one of everything. Wait, what's this? Oh, yep, I got these. All right. Oh, this is fast food, though. We'll get that. I think there's only one of those. We might have a fight, but I'm happy to have found those. Oh, here's another one. This is Emoji Sticker Fun. Oh, yep, we'll get a couple of those. Oh, look, there's a Berenstein Bear coloring book. I wish they had something Snoopy in here to color for Josie. We have that one already. It looks like, oh, this is a nice Dollar Tree. It's so much nicer than the ones I usually go to in Des Moines anyway. Here's a little unicorn book. Christmas sweater. Well, oh, yes, it does have stickers. How cute. They do also have a selection of Mardi Gras masks and beads. We have lots of Mardi Gras beads from when we went to Universal. Looks like we need to be down just a little bit. Back. There we go.
Just try one bite. Written by Anna Mansbach and Camilla Alaus McConnelly. Illustrated by Mike Bolt. Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa. It's time we have a chat about oatmeal and carrots and pasta and cake. And mustard and custard and chicken fried steak. About pork butts and peanuts and the choices we make. Let's see here. I wrote down some points on my checklist. Number 1, no more ice cream sundaes for breakfast. I know they're quite tasty, but it's kind of a reckless. Like wearing a live rattlesnake as a necklace. And I thought that you both would grow out of the phrase of eating for lunch a whole jar of mayonnaise. Plus a well-balanced dinner really ought to be more than some french fries you found in your car on the floor. You both need vegetables, green ones and red ones. You gotta eat lots of them to be well-fed ones. And I know that you hate the way broccoli tastes, and you prefer chips mashed up into a paste. and washed down with a glass of industrial waste. But the best food of all, the food that really rocks, comes straight off a tree, not straight out of a box. We call these foods whole foods to help you to grow foods, not fast foods but slow foods, help you bounce if you're sick, and they were yo-yo foods. So how about this? I'll make you a deal. Can you just try one bite and see how you feel? Those barf sounds you're making aren't very mature. Big kids like you can do better, I'm sure. Please, darling, stop covering your mouth with your hands. I'll give you till 3 to open up, understand? 1, 2, whew, good job. Hey, that's for you to eat. You, not the dog. Oh, Papa, oh, Mama, please be open-minded. You can't say kale's gross if you won't even try it. Look, here comes the airplane, straight into the hangar. Stop kicking and screaming. What's with all the anger? I'm not saying you'll never eat frosting again. Not just every day, more like now and then. How about this? If you eat all your veggies, you can skip tonight's bath and your room can stay messy. Have 2 spoons of quinoa and 3 bites of spinach, and you can stay up for an extra 12 minutes. Here we go. Yum. I told you it's delicious. Fine. Just forget it. I'll give you a chance. Please keep hiding your peas in the cuffs of your pants. I was going to say we could all watch a more movie, but you, Mom and Dad, are behaving quite rudely. So it's straight off to bed and no stories tonight. Or you can both try one teeny bite. I know you think cauliflower is weird and bizarre, but just give it a taste and I'll buy you a car. I'll let you play hooky from work for a week. Do we have a deal, Dad? Finally, open your beak. Aha! I knew it. After all of that fussing, you like it, you love it, you fought us for nothing. I'm glad we got over all the hang-ups you had. Sometimes kids just know best. In your face, Mom and Dad. Sorry, I got carried away. Let's try that again. What I meant to say is I'm so proud of you, my adventurous eaters, my selling, crunching, bean munching egg beaters. Now let's sit down to dinner. I'll roasted some yams and whip up a dish of linguine and with clams. And if you eat every last bite in your bowls, then maybe I'll give you a few. Donut holes. The end. Well, good night, everybody, and keep on having a great day.